hollow turtle.
Why should I paint? I am someone who likes to draw things, so maybe I should throw out the paints and just draw on my miniatures. But instead of talking about it, let me show you what I mean. Here is the normal Space Marine miniature. If we add a simple outline on top of him, he will look like this. Okay, you are not impressed? But if we add simple shading with just straight lines, he will turn into something really cool. And this is the result I am going to achieve today. So let's get into it. As I already explained in my wonderful presentation, now I need to draw lines on top of the edges. And this step will require some patience from me, so I will see you in a second. And I need to ask for a tip. Because I don't know why, but my hands are so shaking that I am unable to keep any straight lines. So if there is a tip for this, then let me know. I just painted the helmet, the jetpack and the gun. It is ready and we will go to do some shading on it. Currently I was using the regular Sigmar Micron pens with the regular tips. So let me show you like this. Sigmar Micron tip. And to be honest, it doesn't work that well because it gets clogged up and the lines are not really saturated and it just doesn't work. But before I went back to painting with a paintbrush, I have one special weapon up my sleeve. And this is a special Sakura Pigma brush. So it looks like this. And it has a special tip that is more similar to brush than to a pen. So yeah. Is it cheating? I don't know. You tell me. The big struggle I had during this process, at first my line work was really not straight because my hand was shaking. But as the time passed on, I got a little bit more confident into drawing my lines. I just went for it and it looked better and straighter. Maybe that's a tip. Don't overthink it and just go for it. So that was at day 6 of the challenge when I tried to replicate the comic book style with only a pen. And there is only one miniature remaining in our 7-day challenge, but I can give you a small hint what will be my inspiration for the last episode. And the last episode will all be about this. So be sure to stay tuned for that.